This is Teacher Jennifer Nagadja. You can call me Teacher Jennifer. Today we are going to learn math, numbers, and we are getting it from these books. They are found at school. Everybody has to have a copy of this so that we get together. We are starting with our theme, My Sweet Home. My sweet home. Everybody has a home. Children, everybody has a home. And what is a home? A home is a place where people or animals live. What is a home? A home is a place where people or animals live. And so, mommy, you can help after our lesson. You can help and ask the child. They repeat the sentence so that they learn. Because the more they learn, the more they understand. So our topic, and the topic we are starting with today, shapes. With the shapes, parents or guardian, you can use our daily things at home. We have doors, windows, and or even other objects we find at home, so long as it correlates with the what? It corresponds to the shapes we are learning. The first shape we are learning today is this. This is a triangle. Children, what is this?
Triangle.
This is a triangle. Who has ever eaten a samosa?
Me, teacher.
A samosa is in the shape of a triangle. So whenever you eat a samosa, tell mommy, mommy, I'm eating a samosa and it is in the shape of a triangle. Everybody say triangle.
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 So whenever we are learning shapes and we need to learn the words, we have to spell these words using letter names. We don't sound, we use letter names. So let's first spell the words. Let's spell the word triangle. 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 Yeah. So I'm giving you another shape, and it is a very nice shape. Another shape we have. Children, what is this?
Circle.
This is a circle. Everybody say circle.
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 So with a circle, it is in a circular form. It is like a moon. It is like a moon. So who can tell me any object at home that has a circular form, that is in a form of a circle?
Teacher, ball.
Ball. Wow, you're so nice. A ball. A ball is in a circular form. It is a circle. A ball is in a circular form. So we say circle. Everybody, circle. So we can spell the word circle from here so that we don't forget. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Yes. So I have another shape. Another shape we are going to learn is a star. What is this?
That's a star.
This is a star. This is a star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. This is a star. Those stars we see at night. We only see stars during day. So a star is also a shape. A star is also a shape. We even have a starfish. Have you ever seen a starfish? Yes, we mostly find them in the ocean, deep down in the ocean. Yes, so mommy or guardian, daddy, if you have Google, you can write there starfish, then a child can see that starfish. Because they always have pictures, they can see them so that a child never forgets what the thing is. So we have another shape. Ta-da! What is this?
That's a square.
Everybody says square.
Square.
Square. This is a square. This is a square. Mary, can you tell me any shape at home which has this shape?
Teacher window.
Wow, clap for her. Yes, as a window has a square shape. A window has a square shape. Everybody says square.
Square.
Square. Square. So let's spell the word square. Square. Whenever we are spelling words, make sure you first read the word aloud. You read the word aloud. Then after you spell the word using letter names, not sounds. Okay, square. S Q U A R E. Square. Yes, this is a square. Now we have another shape. This shape, I want to show you. Ta-da! We have also this shape. We have, sorry. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Which shape at home that is in this form of a rectangle? Who can tell me? Peter, tell me.
The door.
Wow, you're so nice. Please, can you clap for Peter? Yes, the door. Look at your door. Mommy showed that child a door. That door is in a rectangle form. It is in a rectangle form. Everybody say rectangle.
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 Yeah, I told you as before that whenever we are spelling words, we first read them aloud. Rectangle.
Rectangle.
R E C T A N G L E. Rectangle. Yes. Now let's come here. Everybody come and look. We are going to read. Our parents, make sure whenever we are using those books, you read the headings for the children so that they understand. Because if a child understands the heading, that child can tackle anything alone on their own. So let's read. You read and make the child understand the heading. Copy and learn. Copy and learn. So these are our shapes we've learned. Everybody saw the flashcards. These are our shapes. What is this? This is a triangle. This is a triangle. This is a circle. This is a circle. And this is a square. This is a square. We have a rectangle. We have a rectangle. And down here we have a star. We have a star. And the last one is a heart. Is a heart. So we've already spelled these words. We've already spelled the words. So what we are going to do next? Before we go to the next heading, a parent, you show this child how we draw the shapes, because some of them don't know. You can show them that you draw a line and another line, a slanting line, another slanting line, then you close the gap and it becomes a triangle. So please you help. Let's go to the next heading. Let's read together. Match the shapes and draw. Let's read again. Match the shapes and draw. Read faster. Match the shapes and draw. We are going to match the shapes and draw. You look for the similar shape, then you draw a line that joins them together. For example, we have, which shape is this? Trina, can you tell me the shape?
Circle.
Wow, you're so nice. I give you flowers. This is a circle. This is a circle. So we look this side. We see the same shape with this one. So Trina, you have to look so close so that you see a thing which is in a circular form so that you can match the same. After matching the same like this, you drive. Actually, we are going to drive. We drive a car. Mommy, you help that child. You touch, then you say, Voodish. You see, the car reaches its destination. This is a circle and this is a circle. So after matching, make sure the child draws the shape. Draws the same shape. You see? And also, we look for the next. What is this? A triangle. Class, what is this? Triangle, yes. So we are going to match triangle to triangle. Let's drive. Voodish. What are we doing next? We are drawing the same shape. We are drawing the same shape. Triangle, we've matched triangle to triangle, then after we draw the same shape so that we don't forget. So the last shape here is, what is this? Class, what is this?
That is a star.
Yes, this is a star. And I said, when do we see stars, children? We see them at night. So let's drive. Voodish. The car has reached. What are we doing next? We are drawing the star. We are drawing the star. Oh, teacher is very short. We are drawing the star. That is a star. So we have other shapes there to match. So parent, please help and continue so that the child matches and draws the pictures, the shapes. So we are going to the next heading. Let's read together. Match shapes with words. We are repeating. Match shapes with words. Let's read faster. Match shapes with words. Yeah, we are going to match shapes with words. You look at the shape, you recognize it, then after you look for its word. Remember, we spelled those words. We spelled the words already. So, what is this? This is a square. This is a square. So, where is the word square? You look. Is this the word square, children?
No.
Is this the word square?
No.
This one.
No.
But is this one?
No, teacher.
Is it this one?
Yes, teacher.
Wow, you're the best. So we are going to match. We are going to match. We drive. Voodish. The car has reached. Have you seen?
Yes,
The picture and the word. The picture of a square and the word. So we are going to this next shape. This is a circle. This is a circle. Where is the word circle? Is this the word circle?
No.
This one?
No.
This one?
Yes.
Wow! Oh, I love teaching this class. You're the best. So we are driving. Dish. You see, the car's reached. And I don't want you to make my work dirty. Because when you bring that book to me, when it's very dirty, you're not going to win yourself a prize. So make sure you match neatly, no rubbing. Okay? So what is this? This is a star. This is a star. So we are looking for the word star. Is this the word star? No. Is this the word star?
Yes.
Wow, good. Let's drive dish. Have you seen? We have matched the shape with a word. So we are going to our last shape. What is this? This is a triangle. This is a triangle. So we look for the word triangle and match. It's the only one remaining there. This is the word triangle. Let's drive dish. Have you seen? And my work is very neat. This is how I want to see your book when you brought it back to school. I want very neat work because you win yourself a prize. Yeah. So we are going here. We are going to learn how to read. We've already learned the spellings of the shapes. So now we are going to read and draw. Remember, I told you parents, for this child to learn how to read the words minus the pictures, they have in the first topic we learned, it was copying and learning. So this child has to spell those the words so that they can learn how to read and draw by themselves minus copy. So this is rectangle. This is rectangle. Let's spell the word rectangle. Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. You see? So if the child reads that word, let the child draw the rectangle by him or herself. We draw a rectangle. Is this a rectangle? Children, is that a rectangle?
No.
No, this is a circle. So we draw a rectangle. Let me hope this is a rectangle. Is that a rectangle?
Yes, teacher.
Good. So, which word is this? Heart. The word is heart. The word is heart. Let's spell the word heart. Heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. So we are going to draw a heart. Make sure you draw good drawings which are better than mine. I know you're better than me, you're the champions. That is a heart. That is a heart. So which word is this? Circle. Yes. Wow, you've really grasped. This is the word circle. Let's spell the word circle. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. This is the word circle. So make sure you draw for me a very nice circle on the line. That is a circle. So we are going to our next topic. Name the shapes. Let's read again. Name the shapes. Read faster. Name the shapes. We are going to name the shapes. Remember, we've copied the shapes, we've matched, we've spelled, and we read and drew by ourselves. So now we are looking for the word circle and write it correctly. Okay? Make sure you write with the correct spelling. Which shape is this? Circle. Good. So So we write the word circle. This is the word circle. It's next to the shape circle. What shape is this? This is wow, that is good. This is a heart. This is a heart. So we look for the word heart minus copying. You write as you spell in your head. You write as you spell in your head so that you don't miss a letter. Is that the word heart?
Yes, teacher.
Wow, you're so nice. Everybody heart. Everybody heart. This is the word heart. So we have other, we have more what? More shapes to name. So please parents help this child name those shapes. Let the child name, let the child spell so that they get the correct spellings of the words. Let's go to our next heading. Fill in the missing letters. It must be letters. We are filling in the missing letters. Trisha, can you tell me which shape is this?
Triangle.
Wow, this is a triangle. Can you tell me the missing letters here?
Yes, teacher. Letter I.
Wow, correct.
And letter A.
Good. Clap yourself. So, and the word becomes triangle. The word becomes triangle. Minus these letters, the word was not triangle. But when we felt the missing letters, the word became triangle. So what is this? A circle. This is a circle. So I want us to find the missing letters, then we fill them in correctly. Tell me, what is the missing letter here?
Letter I.
Wow, correct. Letter I. If you don't put this dot up, that is not letter I. What is the last missing letter?
Letter E.
Correct. I give you flowers. I'll buy you ice cream when you come with your book. If you fill in correct letters. Okay, then now we are going to our next. This is day 4. This is day 4, and we have new shapes. We have new shapes we have not even seen in this world. We have new shapes. So the first shape, I'll show you the card first. We have a line. We have a line. This is a line. This is a line. Let's look at the spellings. Let's spell the word line. Let's spell the word line. Anything drawn, either it is slanting, it can be a line. Either it is straight, it can be a line. So let's spell the word line. Line. L-I-N-E. Line. This is a line. This is a line. I have another shape. Ta-da! What is this?
Oval.
Wow! This is an oval. Everybody say oval.
Oval.
Oval. This is an oval. By the way, I forgot to ask You my loved children. Who can tell me any object which is in this shape? Bridget, a ruler, and I'm having a ruler here. A ruler is in a line form, even though it is slanting, even if it is, so long as it is not screenboard, okay? Yes, this is a line, so long as it is straight, doesn't matter where it's facing. So this is an oval, this is an oval, this is an oval. Have you seen an oval? This is an oval. Who can tell me, please, mommy, can you ask that child any shape which is in an oval form? Okay, so let me ask Bridget here. Bridget, can you tell me any shape in this form?
Teacher, an egg.
What?
An egg.
Wow, you're the best. An egg, an egg. Everybody say egg.
Egg.
An egg is in an oval shape. So let's spell the word oval. Oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. Another shape. We have this shape. What is this? Can you see this shape properly? This is a cone. This is a cone. Everybody say cone. Mommy, can you tell that child to repeat after you? Cone. Again, cone. This is a cone. Many of you eat ice cream. And when you go, you don't want to eat from the cups, you want a cone. So that is the cone we are also talking about, okay? This is a cone. This is a cone. Let's spell the word cone. Cone. C-O-N-E. Cone. Another shape. There you go. Have you seen that shape? What shape is that?
Zigzag.
Wow, it is a zigzag. It is a zigzag. It is a zigzag. So let's spell the word zigzag. Zigzag. Z-I-G-Z-A-G. This is the word zigzag. Everybody, zigzag. I have another shape. And also a colored zigzag is there. This is a zigzag. This is a zigzag. The last shape I have is a, can you tell me what this is?
Kite.
Kite. Wow, this is a kite. Everybody, kite. Mommy, can you tell the child to repeat after you? Kite. Again, kite. This is the word kite. So, can we spell the word kite? Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Again, kite. Again, kite. Yes. You don't know how to fly kites, but when you come back to school, we are going to make and fly kites.
Yes.
So our next heading is copy and learn. Let's read the heading together. Copy and learn. Read it faster. Copy and learn. Good. We are going to copy and learn. So we have our first shape, and the first shape we have is this? What is that? This is a line. This is a line. This is a line. Can we spell the word line? Line. L. Everybody. L. I. N. E. Line. So we go to the next. We have this shape. What shape is this? Oval. This is an oval. This is an oval. So we spell the word oval as we write it. O V A L. Oval. Another shape. I talked about ice cream. So after here, tell mommy to buy for you ice cream which has a cone so that you don't forget the word cone. This shape is a cone. Again, cone. So let's write the word cone. Let's write the word cone. We spell as we write together. C-O-N-E. Cone. Have you seen the word cone? This is the word cone. We have another shape. Another shape. And this shape is here. You write up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Have you seen? This is a zigzag. This is a zigzag. So let's write the word zigzag. We spell together and write together. Z I G Z A G. And the word is zigzag. The word is zigzag. Here we are going to copy and learn. This side we have lines. So you copy this. You copy the line again. Then you write the word line again because you want to learn the spellings. Okay? You copy the oval and write the word oval again. Okay? So please, mommy, help my daughter and son to copy the words and the shapes properly. We go to the next. And we have also we have this moon. This is a crescent. This is a crescent. This is a crescent. So we write and spell the word crescent. C R E S C E N T. Crescent. Everybody, crescent. Everybody, crescent. Let's spell the word crescent one more time. Crescent. C R E S C E N T. Crescent. The word is. So this is a crescent. And I have also another shape. Another shape for you. I told you we are going to fly kites when you come back to school. This is a kite. So let's write the word kite as we spell. K-I-T-E. Kite. Let's spell the word kite. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. I want you to learn these spellings so that when you reach on this other, the other headings, when you know what to do. So we have our fourth heading reads match the same shapes and draw. match the same shapes and draw. So you look at the shape, you look this side for the similar shape, then you drive your car. This is a kite, you look for the similar kite and match. You match, dish. Then after, make sure you draw the same shape you've matched on the line. Okay? So here we also have match shapes with words. Match shapes with words. So here we look at the shapes this side and the words this side. So mommy, you help the child first read the words this side, spell the words this side. Then after she or he tells you the shape, then she looks for the word and match. Each shape she tells, make sure she spells the word correctly. Then after, she matches. So we are going to day 5. Day 5 has review, reading and spelling exercise of these words. So these are the words you are supposed to spell. Mommy, daddy or guardian. These are the words we have. The first word is crescent. The next word is line. Another one is kite. Then zigzag, oval and cone. All those words, make sure the child reads several times. The child spells several times so that they learn the spellings. So we have our heading here. Let's read match shapes with pictures. Match shapes with pictures. Let's read faster. Match shapes with pictures. The more you read the heading, the more you understand what they're asking you to do. So we have, what we are going to do is you match the shape to a picture which is similar to it. So the first shape is a crescent. We have a crescent. We have a crescent, and a crescent is in a form of a moon. A moon is always up in the night. Before it's night, you cannot see the moon. So whenever it's night, tell mommy or daddy or auntie to take you out so that you can see the moon. So we are going to match a crescent to a moon. Let's drive dish. We are going to the next. This is a cone. This is a cone. We spell the word cone, cone. C-O-N-E, cone. So, Rita, can you tell us a picture which is in a cone form? Candle. Candle, good. We match. Let's drive dish. Have you seen? So we have an oval here. We have an oval. We have an oval. We have an oval. We said an oval, you can either match it to an egg. An egg is in an oval form. And also we have another picture I've given you here. And another picture is a leaf. Another picture is a leaf. So let us drive dish. Have you seen? It is in an oval form. We have a line. We have a line. Let's spell the word line. Line. L-I-N-E. Line. So we have a picture which is similar to a line. And that is a broom. That is a brooms which sweep outside. They use them for sweeping the compound. Their sticks are very straight. So we are going to match a line with a broom. So let's drive. Dish. Have you seen? My one is very neat. I didn't rub. Don't over rub. Because when you bring your book at school and it's dirty, you won't win a prize. This is a star. I told you we have a shape in a star form. We have a picture which is in a star form, and that is a fish. That fish is called starfish. So let's match. Have you seen a starfish, guys? Where is it? Is it this one? This one? Where is it? This one? Yes, this is a starfish. I told you to go to the internet, then you show that child how a starfish looks like. Let's drive. Dish. Have you seen? That is how correct I want you to match your work. We go to the next heading. Read and draw. Read and draw. Let's read faster. Read and draw. I told you the more you read headings, the more the child is going to understand how to attempt whatever the question is saying. So the first word is a cone. Remember, we have read these words, we have spelled the words, and the more we spell the words, the more we learn how to read them, the more we learn how to spell them. So the more the child spells the words, the more they are going to learn how to read and draw by themselves. Before we read, we have to spell. Okay, we read cone. C-O-N-E, cone. So after reading, let the child draw. Let the child draw the shape on her, on his or her self. The child has to read and draw by him or herself. This is a line. This is a line. Let's spell the word line. Line. L-I-N-E. Line. Then a child draws the line. Make sure I don't read for this child, because let the child read so that you know what the child has learned and what the child has not learned. So this is a crescent. Let's spell the word crescent. Crescent. C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T. Crescent. So we draw a crescent. We said a crescent is in a form of a moon. That is a crescent. That is a crescent. Let's read together. But first we are reading slowly so that we can learn the words. Fill in the missing letters. Let's read together. Fill in the missing letters. Let's read faster. Fill in the missing letters. We are going to fill in the missing letters. You look at the shape. You know the name of the shape. Then there you learn the missing letters. So this is, what shape is this, Rita? What shape is this?
Kite.
Kite, good. This is a kite. So what is the missing letter here?
Letter I.
Letter I. Letter I. So we write letter I. Without a dot, that is not letter I. So what is the missing letter here?
Letter E.
Good. Letter E. Letter E. So let's spell and read kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. This is a crescent. Everybody repeat crescent. Everybody crescent. So what is the missing letter here? Who can tell me the missing letter? The missing letter?
Letter E.
Letter E. Letter E. Letter E. What is the missing letter here? Letter E. Let's spell and read. Crescent. C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T. Crescent. So there are more of the what? Of the shapes. So mommy, daddy, guardian, please help and continue with the child like the way we have done the first ones. 6. We are going to day 6, and day 6 we are going to handle our sets. Everybody say set. Everybody set. Everybody set. And what is a set? What is a set? A set is a group of members. A set is a group of members. Rita, can you pass me those cups, please? A set is a group of members. A set is a group of members. Mommy, ask that child to repeat the definition, because the child has to know the definition so that they can learn what they are going to handle. A set is a group of members. A set is a group of members. So, but first we are going to first count our numbers. We are going to count numbers. But with the numbers, mommy, you're going to help, because you have a chart at home, you're going to count with a child 1 up to 10. You're going to count 1 up to 10. Then you're going to recite 1 up to 20. Then after, you count 1 up to 20 by recognition using the chart. Make sure you have a chart of numbers so that the child can recognize the numbers. This is number 20, this is number 3, this is number 4. So before we see, I have, if it is 1 cup, that is not a set. This is a cup. And these are cups. These are cups. These are cups. When I add also this one, they are cups. And this is my set now. This is a set of cups. This is a set of cups. A set of cups. Everybody say a set of cups. Repeat, a set of cups. So if you want to learn more, you can count the pictures in that set. So our set is a set of cups. So let's count the cups. 1, 2, 3. Let me hope, mommy, you also have cups there, or plates there. Yes, let's count together. 1, 2, 3. So this is a set of 3 cups. A set of 3 cups. Other objects here. These are markers. These are markers. And I have markers here, but I don't know the number of markers I have. Mommy, let's count together with our children. 1, 2, 3. A set of 3 markers. A set of 3 markers. I have my cards here. I have my cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is a set of 5 cards. A set of 5 flash cards. So now, with these sets, we are going to learn how to match the same sets. We are going to learn how to match the same sets. Match the equivalent sets. Again, match the equivalent sets. It's also used to mean like match the same sets. Same numbers, you count, they are not the same objects, but the number is the same. So let's draw the first set. I have a set of circles. I have a set of circles. So the circles are 1, then 2. So we have another set. A set of cups. We've seen a set of cups. 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups, 5 cups. Another set. We have balls here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another set. This is a set of chairs. Here we have a set of tables. We have 2 tables. We have 2 tables. And here we have also another shape, another set, not shape, but set. It's a set of stools. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the equivalent sets, the same sets but different pictures. Yes. Now we have the first set, a set of balls. We want to see the equivalent set, the set which has the same number. The same number. So here we have 2 balls, and we look on this side. Which set is equivalent to this set?
A set of tables.
A set of tables. A set of tables. Let's count together and make sure that they are equivalent. 1, 2. Let's count the tables. 1, 2. So they are equivalent. So we match. Dish. So we are looking for another equivalent set. From this side, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which other set here has 5 objects?
A set of stools.
Wow, good. Let's count to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are 5. So that set is equivalent. A set of 5 cups is equivalent to the set of 5 stools. Let's match. Dish. Good. So now we are counting. We are counting the eggs. We have 10 eggs here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this side we want to see the set which is equivalent to the 10 eggs in this set. Let's count the chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means the set of 10 eggs is equivalent to the set of 10 chairs. So let's match. Dish. Have you seen? We match the same sets. They are equivalent. They have the same number of pictures in them. So we go to the next. A set is a group of members. A set is a group of members. Don't forget that. A set is a group of members. So anyone helping the child at home, make sure you remind the child the definition of the set. Whenever she's drawing the sets, let him or her read the what? The definition. So now we are going to make small sets out of big sets. Make small sets out of big sets. Let's read it faster. Make small sets out of big sets. We are going to make small sets out of a big set. For example, we have our markers here. We have the cards. We have the rulers and the books. So we have, these are all, this is a set. I have my set here. I have my set. This set has many objects. It has many objects. It has many objects. It has books. It has flashcards. It has rulers and it has markers. So we want to make small sets from this big set. So the first set, I'm going to choose markers first. Markers, then I say the first marker, the second marker, and the third marker. This is a set of 3 markers. A set of 3 markers. This is our first set from the big set I've showed you. So we go to the next. Then I choose books. We have the first book and the second book. This is a set of 2 books. A set of 2 books. 1, 2. A set of 2 books. Then I put the second set there. These are rulers. I've picked rulers from our big set. The first ruler and the second ruler. So we count 1, 2. This is a set of 2 rulers. A set of 2 rulers. A set of 2 rulers. Then I have the last picture. They are cards from our big set. These are cards from our big set. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've separated them. And this is a set of 5 flash cards. A set of 5 flash cards. So in our sets, I've got 4 types of sets. A set of 5 flash cards, a set of 2 rulers, a set of 2 books, and a set of 3 markers. Mommy, you can continue with the child. You can make many more other objects as the child learns about sets. So here I can see they gave a very big set, like the one I've showed you. Mine were of markers, books, rulers, and flashcards. So the set here includes of chairs. I can see girls, I can see a moon, a crescent, then I can see balls. That is a big set. A big set contains of very many different objects. So here they draw for you. They show you the first set here is a girl. And the next one is a ball, a crescent, and a chair. Let me show you with one example. Here, the teacher gave you a girl, she gave you a ball, she gave you a crescent, can either be a moon, then lastly, chairs, a chair. So we are going to make small sets out of this big set. So as we have done in the first example, we are going to first look for girls. You cross, the girl you cross is the girl you draw. So that you don't do repetition of objects. You can even put more, yet they are very few. So the first girl we cross, then we draw it here. That is one girl. You cross another one, you draw. What you cross, you tell the child. What the child crosses is what she draws. You cross another one, you draw. So Jamila, are there any other girls in the set?
No, teacher.
Yes. So this small set, we have finished it. It has 3 girls. 1, 2, 3. We go to the next. We are going to the balls. Let's cross the first ball. We draw. We cross the second girl. We draw. Rita, are there any other balls in the set?
No, teacher.
Good. So this set, we have also finished it. It is a set of 2 balls. We go to the crescent. Oh, I forgot the crescent. 1, 2. We've gone to the crescent. Let's cross as we draw. That is 1. We cross as you draw. Make sure what you cross, you draw. Draw. You cross, then you draw. Is there any other crescent, Rita? No, there is no. So this set we have also finished. So we go to the last small set. We go to our big set. You cross the chair, you come and draw. Cross the chair, come and draw. Cross the chair, come and draw. Cross the chair, come and draw. So there are no more chairs in the big set. We have made our small sets from the big set. From this big set, we've made the small sets. So, Mommy, you can give any other additional sets. Let's read the heading together. Make sets of 2 up to 10. Make sets of 2 up to 10. Now here we are starting from the 2s. We have the 3s. We have the 4s. Here we are supposed to circle only the balls which are 2. Don't circle less or more. Okay? So let's count. 1, 2. So we circle. This is among the twos because the balls are 2. So let's count the next. 1, 2. We circle. Here under twos, we don't circle less than 2. We don't circle more than 2. So we go to the threes. Threes, we circle 3 only. Don't circle less or more. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. You circle. These are 2. We are not supposed to circle 2. We are writing under threes. We are supposed to circle only 3 balls. So let's count this. 1, 2, 3. You circle. So we go to the fours. We go to the fours. Fours, we are supposed to circle only 4 objects. 4. Don't circle more, don't circle less. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We circle. One, 2, 3. These are less, we don't circle. 1, 2. They are less, we don't circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. We circle because they are under fours. Okay, then the work is more than that. So anyone helping at home, you can help. You can help the child. Here we have more exercises. So the one helping at home, you will help the child look for the 5s. They only circle 5 objects. Here they look for only 6 objects. And lastly here, 7 objects. Then they circle. So we go to our next heading, make sets. Make sets. We are going to make sets according to the number given and the picture. If they have given you 4 chairs, you draw 4 chairs. Now, for example, here we are given 3 chairs. 3 chairs. So we are going to draw 3 chairs. Let's draw as we count. 1, 2, 3. Those are 3 chairs. Here there are 5. 5 balls. 5 balls. We are making a set of 5 balls. So let's count as we draw, so that we don't forget. 1 ball, 2 balls, 3 balls, 4 balls, 5 balls. I'm not supposed to add, I'm not supposed to subtract because the teacher gave 5 balls. So we go to the next set. They've given us two cats. We are supposed to draw 2 cats. You come to the set and draw 1 cat. Two cats. Let's count. 1, 2. Here with these sets we've made, you look for the number, you look at the number, you count the objects you've drawn, then don't draw more or less according to the number given by the teacher. Let's go to our next heading, read and draw. Let's read faster, read and draw. So here we say a set is a group of members. Dear parent, guardian, please continue reminding the child about the definitions. A set is a group of members. So here we are going to read as we draw. Let's read together. A set of 5 cups. Let's read again. A set of 5 cups. So which number is this? This is number 5. Number 5. And which one is this? This one is cups. The word is cups. That means we are supposed to draw 5 cups. And make sure when you're drawing, you draw as well as counting. 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups, and 5 cups. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we read a set of 5 cups. We go to the next. Make sure you read the sentence first. A set of 2 balls. We are going to repeat the sentence. A set of 2 balls. That means, which number is this? This is number 2. Number 2 tells us to draw 2 objects. And which objects have they told us to draw? The word is here, balls. 2 balls. 2 balls. So let's draw as we count. 1, 2. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2. Let's read the sentence. A set of 2 balls, and the balls are 2. Let's go to our next heading. The exercises still continue up to down. You write the exercises up to down. You go up to down. The parent or guardian will help the child with that. Let's go to the next. Write value or symbol. Write value or symbol. Symbol is the number. Value is the number of the objects you draw for the number. Okay. This is a symbol. The numbers stand for a symbol. So number 9 is a symbol. Number 9, we draw 9 objects. So number 9, we are going to draw. Let's draw 9 balls. 1. Let's draw eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the symbol, and we have put its value. Then this is the symbol. The number stands for the symbol. Then which number is this? Number 8. That means we are going to draw 8 objects to show the value of the number 8. Let's draw boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is enough. These are 8 boxes for number 8. So when we go to this, these are all objects. For objects, the objects, this is going to stand for the value. So we are going to put for these objects a symbol by counting the objects. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the symbol for these objects is number 4. We count the next. These are sweets. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the symbol here is number 5. So anyone helping at home, you continue like that with the exercise. Let's go to the next heading. Let's read together. Count and shed for the number. Let's read again. Count and shed for the number. We are going to count the objects and shed for the number. This is number 2. Number 2. Number 2 tells us to to color 2 objects. 2 objects. We don't do more, we don't do less, because this is number 4. So let's first count. 1, 2. So the objects which have dots, they are the objects we are going to shed. Okay, let's everybody shed. Make sure I don't shed outside our box, so that our books looks very, so that the books look very neat. I've finished to color that. I'm coloring the next. Hope you have finished. Make sure you're faster than me. Then we are done. We've colored 2 boxes for number 2. So we are going to the next number, and this is number 8. Number 8. Number 8, we are supposed to color 8 balls. 8 balls. We don't do more, we don't do less. So let's first count as we dot it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are going to color the dotted balls. 2, but we color as well as counting. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So with we have more numbers here. We have more objects. So make sure you do as we have done with the examples up there. Let the child first tell the number, then you count as well as dotting the pictures. Then after she colors using the number given. So we are going on day 11. Day 11. We are going to compare things according to different attributes. That means we are going to do sizes. For example, we have, what are these, Rita? Can you tell us?
Those are buckets.
These are buckets. These are buckets. We have the first bucket here. We have the first bucket here. Is this a big bucket? Is this a big bucket, people? No. This is a small bucket. And this is a big bucket. We have a big bucket. And we have another small bucket. So you can see the difference between the two. This is small and this is big. Small, big. And when you come here, we see this is a ball. And this is also a ball. So here we have a small ball. And here we have a big ball. So we have a small ball and a big ball. Small, big. Small, big. Small, big. Small ball, big ball. Okay, Jamila and Treasure, can you come here? Jamila and Treasure, come. Please come. So we are going to talk about tall and short. We are going to talk about tall and short. We don't, with people we use tall. We don't say that girl is long, that boy is long. No, we use people, trees, and things which go up. Treasure and Jamila, come. Treasure, come. We show Mommy Pinto how we see tall or short. People, we don't use when we are referring to people, we don't say long. We say that girl is tall. That girl is short. That boy is tall. That boy is short. We don't say that girl is long. No, we say that girl is tall. Okay, Treasure and Jamila, come. I have my babies here. How are you, baby Treasure?
I'm fine, teacher.
How are you, baby Jamila?
I'm fine, teacher.
So as you can see, I have my two babies here. Who is the tallest? I have this baby here, Treasure, is taller than baby Jamila. Treasure is tall, Jamila is short. Tall, short. Okay, baby Jamila, extend here so that you can
Social distance.
Okay, we have short and tall. We have short, tall, tall, short. Thank you. Okay, you can go back and sit, clap yourselves. Okay, so we go to the next. So, Mommy, as you're doing these things, please try to explain to the children how they can do the comparisons of the many sizes, tall, small, short. So we go to the long. I have two rulers here. First, I have a long ruler. This is long. This is long. We can even use the rivers. Rivers are long. We don't say that river is what? Is tall. We say that river is long. So I have another ruler here. This is a short ruler. Short ruler. Long, short. Long, short. So let's go to our next. Our next heading is here. Bring the smallest. Let's read together. Bring the smallest. Everybody, bring the smallest. So we've looked at the small things and the big things, the tall things and the short things, the long things and the short things. We saw with a small bucket and a big bucket. About tall, we've seen a tall tree, a short tree, and Jamila plus Treasure, they were here. We saw Jamila was short and Treasure was tall. So here we are going to look at the small object. Is this a small object? No, this is not small. It is big. Is this a small object? No, it is big. So we have the smallest object here. So we are going to have to ring. We are going to ring the smallest object. Have you seen? This is the smallest. You can even see we have a big one. This one is also big, but this one is small. So we go to the triangles. I have my 3 triangles. We have Treasure. Is this one small?
No, teacher.
Oh, is this one small?
No.
Is this small?
Yes, teacher.
So should we circle it? Okay. I give you flowers. I'll buy for you ice cream, okay? Yeah. So we've managed to circle the small square and the small triangle. So let's go, you can continue. Here I can see stars. We have stars, we have the big stars, then the small. Please, parent or guardian, you can help circle the smallest. We have the crescent in form of a moon. As we looked at the shapes, you can look for the smallest and circle. So let's go to the next. This is X. This is X. We are going to X the longest. Read again. Read, X the longest. Again. Read again. X the longest. We are going to X the longest. So we have the lines. We talked about shapes. We have this one is the medium line. This one is the longest. This is the longest line. This is not long, this is short. This is very short. So today we are going to X. You put an X on a very long line. We are going to X the longest line. And this is the longest line. This is our longest line and we are going to X it. Or you can either exit here or exit. No, let's exit here and here up or down. Okay, we go to the snakes. Have you ever seen a snake? We have small snakes, we have short snakes, we have the longest ones like a cobra. A cobra is also very long and big. So we are going to X the longest snake. So the longest snake, Jamila, can you tell us where the longest snake is? Is this the longest snake?
No, teacher.
Is this the longest snake?
No.
Is this the longest?
Yes, teacher.
Wow, I give you flowers. We are going to X the longest snake. So we have also we have the rivers. We have actually, when we are studying, when you grow up to be big boys and girls, you will know the longest river in Uganda. Yes, you know the longest river in Uganda and you will never forget that. So, Mom is going to show you how to do this as we have done here with the examples. So, we go to the next. The next heading is arrange things in 3 groups. Let's read the heading. Arrange things in 3 groups. Let's read faster. Arrange things in 3 groups. As I told you, make sure you read the headings first. Let the child understand the heading and what it means, so that the child can learn how to handle the given exercise by him or herself. So we have big, there we've looked at the smallest, the longest. Now we are going to see the biggest, the bigger, and the big ones. Okay? So we have, we are going to have to organize these balls according to their sizes, according to their groups. So we have A. Is this ball big? Is this ball bigger than this one or this one? Which is the biggest among the 3? Is ball bigger is square bigger than square A?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, then that means it was arranged properly. Square B is the biggest among C and A. Square B is big, but square C is bigger than square A. Then square B is the biggest among C and A. Okay? So we go to the next objects. We have F, we have E, we have D. So here there is a box which was laid for you. There is big, bigger, biggest. And teacher put for you this example. So we have boxes here, and you're gonna have to get the work from here behind. You look at the objects. The first one was the squares, and it was done well here. So we go to the balls. We look at the balls. They are here. So you look with your book as you compare them. So we have ball F. We have ball F. Is ball F the biggest?
No.
No. Is ball E big?
No.
Ball E is bigger. Ball F is big. And ball D is the biggest. Ball D is the biggest among ball E and ball F. Then ball E is bigger than ball F. Then ball F is big. I hope, mommy, you have understood that. So you can continue with the triangles. As you can see, we have the triangles. So you look at G. G is the biggest. G is the biggest. You go and look where biggest is, then you tell the child to draw it there. You come back here, look at H and I. Is H bigger or big? H is bigger. H is bigger. You come and draw it here. Is I the biggest or bigger? No, I is big. You draw it here. So mommy and daddy, the guardians, you continue with the exercise. Okay, thank you. We shall continue from there. This is teacher Jennifer. These books, make sure every child has a book of his or her own, so that we can manage our holiday work. Thank you.